Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request payoff letters in Lendio. A payoff letter shows the exact amount needed to fully settle your loan, including principal, interest, as well as any fees up to a specific date. Here's how to request one in Lendio. First, log into your Lendio account and then navigate to the My Loans section from your dashboard. Now you're going to select the loan that you want to pay off, and then look for the Request Payoff or Loan Documents option. Click Request Payoff Letter, and some lenders generate this automatically. If not available instantly, you may need to submit a support request through the Lendio platform. Specify the date that you plan to pay off the loan. This is important for calculating interest. Once generated, the payoff letter will be available to download as a PDF or sent to your email. A quick tip, always request the payoff letter close to your intended payoff date since interest occurs daily. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.